Hello students, I am Aradhna Yadav, your maths teacher. Here I am with the topic addition. So, what is addition? The finding of sum of two or more numbers by combining them is only known as addition. If I say that how many total number of students are there in class 4, so what you are going to do, you are going to add all the students in all the section, then you are going to give the total number of students, right? So let's see one example how you are going to do the addition. Example कि हम addition कैसे करने वाले हैं. Here we have to add 324 and 231. These two numbers we have to add. First step is we have to arrange them in columns. हम उन्हें columns में arrange करेंगे. Write it down. That is ones, tens, 100. It is 3-digit number, तो 100 तक लिखेंगे हम. Now we are going to put the digit 324. Now the second one is 231. We have to add these numbers, so we have to always put a plus sign कि addition दिखाने के लिए हमें plus sign put करना पड़ता है. Now we have to add the given numbers. Addition children is always starts from the ones place. Ones place से हम addition start करते हैं. It means you are going to start the addition from the right to left. पीछे से हम आगे की तरफ जाते हैं. Now 4 and 1 को ऐड करेंगे. 5, 2 and 3, 5, 3 and 2, that is 5. So our total is 555. Or the numbers we are adding here, we are adding 324 and 231. जो numbers हम add करते हैं उनको हम addends बोलते हैं, and the result we are getting is known as sum. So 555 is the sum here. So now we are going to learn three things: addition without regrouping, addition with regrouping, and estimating the sum. First, addition without regrouping. What does that mean? When the sum of the digits being added is less than 9, or we can say there is no carryover, it means we are going to add the digits and there is no carryover. It means we are not going to get 2-digit number on each place, right? Let's see one example. Here we have to add 22,725 and 43,122. Firstly, we are going to make columns. Here I have made 5, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000, right? 5-digit number है तो up till 10,000 we are going to write. Then we are going to write first number 22,725, then the other number 43,122. Here we are doing the addition, so it is necessary to put the plus sign between the numbers. Now we are going to add the numbers. As you know, we are always start the addition from the back. हम हमेशा addition पीछे से शुरू करते हैं, that is from the ones place. अब हम हर digit को add करेंगे, that is 5 and 2 we are going to add, we will get 7. 2 and 2, 4. This is 8, 5 and 6. 65,847. As you can see children, जैसे ही हम ones और ones को ऐड कर रहे थे, इसमें कोई भी कैरी नहीं गई है. the sum is less than 9. ये भी 9 से छोटा आया है. और tens को ऐड किया तो this is also less than 9. It means हमें कोई भी हमारा 2-digit number नहीं आया है और we are not giving any carry over. So this is only known as addition without regrouping. It means हमें कोई carry नहीं देनी पड़ी. Understood? Now moving next, addition with regrouping. When the sum of the digits being added is more than 9, or we can say there is a carryover. It means on adding the digits we are going to get 2-digit numbers. Let's see how we are going to do that. जैसे हम basic addition करते हैं, same we are going to follow that. We are going to add the numbers from the back. As we are going to start adding 4 and 8, we will get 12, right? दिस इज़ 2 डिजिट नंबर, तो हम पूरा 12 नहीं लिखते हैं। जो हमारी लास्ट डिजिट है क्या है, दैट इज़ 2, दैट ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू राइट। जो हमारा 1 है वो हमारे कैरी ओवर जाता है, कैरी ओवर हमारा लेफ़्ट साइड जाता है। वंस के बगल में जस्ट दैट इज़ टेंस इज़ देयर, तो हमारा 1 कैरी टेंस पे जाएगा, राइट। So now we have to add 2, 4 and 1 also. So we will get 7. Now there is no carry over. Now adding 7 and 3 we are going to get 10. Again this is 2 digit number, तो हम सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट जो हमारी पीछे वाली डिजिट होती है वही लिखेंगे। 0 we are going to write and 1 हमारा कैरी ओवर जाएगा, तो we are going to give the carry। अब हमारा कैरी जाएगा थाउजेंड्स प्लेस पे। नाउ वी हैव टू एड 8, 6 and 1 ऑल्सो। सो 8 and 6 14 and 1 15। सो अगेन 2 डिजिट नंबर। अब हम 15 पूरा नहीं लिखेंगे, 5 ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू राइट। अगेन हमारा 1 जो है वो कैरी ओवर जाएगा, दैट इज़ ऑन 10,000। जो हमारे बगल में होता है लेफ़्ट साइड पे, वहाँ कैरी देते हैं हम, तो हमारा ये 1 कैरी जाएगा। Now we have to add 3, 2 and 1 carry also. So 3 and 2 5 and 1. So we are going to get 6, right? Now so we will get 65,072, right? This is how we are going to do the addition with regrouping. Estimating the sum. Estimate you already know, that is round off. It means we have to round off the numbers, then we have to find the sum. What is use of it? It makes our calculation very fast and easy also. Let's see how we are going to do that. Now we have to estimate the sum of 4,775 and 3,523 by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. It means we have to round off these two numbers to the nearest 100, then we are going to add them. Okay. अब हम 4,775 को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, दैट देयर आर 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज़। इट कैन बी 4,700 और इट कैन बी 4,800, राइट। अब हमारे पास नियरेस्ट 100 क्या होगा, हम इसमें 25 ऐड करें तो वी विल गेट 4,800, और हम इसमें से 75 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, देन वी आर गोइंग टू गेट 4,700। तो पास में क्या होगा, हमें सिर्फ 25 ऐड करना पड़ेगा टू गेट 4,800। सो जो पास पड़ता है दैट ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू टेक। इट मीन्स 4,800 हम लेने वाले हैं। नाउ राउंडिंग ऑफ 3,523, इसमें भी 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ होती हैं, दैट इज़ इट कैन बी 3,500 और इट कैन बी 3,600। सो विच वन इज़ क्लोजर नाउ। अब हमें 23 सिर्फ 23 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है टू मेक इट 3,500 और 77 हम ऐड करें टू मेक इट 3,600। क्या पास पड़ेगा, क्या इजी रहेगा। इट मीन्स हम 23 सिर्फ सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो हमें नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स मिल जाएंगे, दैट इज़ 3,500 वी आर गोइंग टू टेक, राइट। और हेयर वी आर टेकिंग 4,800। अब हमें राउंड ऑफ मिल गया। सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, we are going to add the numbers now। 4,800, now next one is 3,500। we can make columns also, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000, right। अब हम ऐड करेंगे ना। now we know the addition कैसे करते हैं, ones with ones, that is 0 with 0 we will get 0, again 0, and 8 and 5 we are going to get 13, 3 I am going to write, or as we know 1 carry over, now 4, 3 and 1 carry, we are going to get 8,300। so as you can see children, by estimating the sum, हम जब राउंड ऑफ कर लेते हैं तो हमारा एडिशन ईजी हो जाता है, सिंपलर हो जाता है, राइट। So this is how we are going to estimate the sum. It means where exact number is not required. So I hope the topic is clear to you all. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.